News just in, death row prisoner Devinder Pal Singh Bhullar's family has approached the Supreme Court seeking commutation of his death sentence in the light of the recent judgment by the Supreme Court. Devinder Pal Singh Bhullar, who was sentenced to death in 2001 for the 1993 car bombings in New Delhi that killed 9 people, is still behind bars. SC had earlier said had rejected the delay in mercy plea on grounds for commutation of the death sentence. Jaskirat Singh Bawa is joining us live for this story. Jaskirat, Devinder Pal Singh Bhullar's family basically wanting to set the earlier Supreme Court order as a precedent for this case so that his death sentence can also be commuted to life.
That's right. Devinder Pal Singh Bhullar already has a curative petition pending in the Supreme Court, which is expected to come up later this month, which is also on the mind of the Chief Justice of India when he delivered the judgment, the landmark judgment just a few days ago, where he commuted almost 15 death sentences into life sentence on grounds of delay and mental illness and insanity, amongst other reasons. Now, Bhullar's wife has been filing pleas in the Supreme Court. She was the one who had filed the original plea, where on April 12th last year, Justice Singhvi had dismissed his plea, saying that delay is no grounds for delay in deciding a mercy plea is no grounds for commutation of a death sentence into life sentence, and did not take into account some of the medical reports that suggested that Devinder Pal Singh Bhullar may not be medically fit, which means mentally fit, and could actually be mentally unstable. One of the grounds that in the judgment this week is considered to be important factor in commuting death sentences to the life sentence. The Chief Justice of India, in response to Devinder Pal Singh Bhullar's lawyer, said it is a matter of concern. We will be taking this up later this month, and we will be issuing notices, which clearly indicates the mood of the Supreme Court and gives us a hint into the action that it will be taking on the 28th or the 29th of January, when Devinder Pal Singh Bhullar's curative petition comes up for consideration.